Good morning. Today I'm making a video about what to do with cooked left rice. So I had this idea. I boiled some milk and then I added this left rice with some cereals and some fruits on it and a bit of yogurt. And this, I tell you, is very, very, very nice, sweet, and healthy breakfast. Yeah, and with green tea. Yeah, so let me enjoy my breakfast. Yummy. Can't wait to eat it. Let me show you again. Like this. Yep. Very, very sweet. It is like milk rice, but this is left rice. So I don't want to throw it. So I make breakfast.